How to get rid of stubborn eye bags with essential oil and aloe vera. The skin under your eyes is translucent and can easily become dark and puffy. This aesthetic issue can be triggered by an excessive amount of sodium, lack of sleep, and the presence of allergens. The bad under eyes are a common issue for many people. This is, in fact, an abnormal protrusion when the fat pads swell. Fortunately, this issue can be solved quite easily. There are a wide range of natural remedies and homemade solutions for removing the eye bags. Moreover, we present you a natural solution which will leave you speechless. The following remedy is an all-natural solution which will eliminate the unsightly eye bags. Homemade morning eye solution with essential oils. Ingredients: 1/2 ounce witch hazel extract, 1/2 ounce pure aloe vera gel, 10 drops chamomile essential oil, 10 drops lavender essential oil. Instructions: mix all the ingredients well in a small glass jar. Close the lid and blend them well. Store the jar in the refrigerator overnight. As soon as you wake up, apply a tiny amount of the mixture around your eyes and leave it for a while. Then, gently remove it and apply a moisturizer. Tips to prevent eye bags: decrease the intake of salt. When you consume too much sugar, the eyes become puffy. Therefore, decreasing the salt intake will lower the eye bags. Switch your sleep position. If you usually sleep on your stomach or on a side, the gravity trigger fluid to collect under the eyes. So, try sleeping on your back and you will eliminate the puffy eyes. Treat the allergies. Your eyes can also become puffy due to allergies. Hence, treating the allergies will mean decreasing the puffiness. Always remove makeup before bed. This is one of the most important rules. So, besides for puffiness removing, the makeup will also keep your skin healthy and smooth. Protect your eyes from UV rays. This is another important tip. You should protect your eyes from the harmful UV rays of sunlight. Therefore, use sunscreen and sunglasses to keep your eyes protected. Reduce the consumption of alcohol. You shouldn't consume too much alcohol because it causes eye bags. Hence, always drink alcohol in moderate amounts. Moreover, make sure you drink water before going to bed and apply a natural moisturizer on your face.